So today's topic is numericals. We have a today's topic as numericals. Subtopic is equations of. Already we have done with problems on graphical representation. Before sessions, earlier non-Cameron sessions, we have done with acceleration, velocity, distance, displacement. We go back. Why first है that is the first one. So all numericals over. Last, for the first unit we are left with only equations of motion, right? So we'll start the problems. Where is your so first is your class response which is given. You already know what is meant by equations of motion. Okay, all those are theoretical questions, type 1 type of questions, simple definitions. All already you know everything. What are the equations of motions? What are the first equation of motion? ఇంకేమున్నాయి క్వశ్చన్స్ షారాన్ చూడండి.
Equation of motion అంటే ఏంటి? What
Yeah.
is the first equation of motion? Second equation of motion? Third equation of motion?
Direct definition, so you can write directly those questions.
What is the final velocity when a moving body is stopped?
What is the final velocity when moving body is stopped? 0. Correct answer, right.
Under what conditions acceleration is 0 for a moving body? Constant velocity. Under what circumstances do the following hold good
For a body, u equal to 0, v equal to 0, a equal to 0. Which case you will go for?
అర్థం కాలేదు.
Which circumstance is good for, do the following hold good for a body? A u equal to 0, b v equal to 0, c a equal to 0. Correct. When acceleration is equal to 0, then it is moving with uniform velocity, so no problem, there will be no jerks. Whereas u equal to 0, then it is starting from rest, v equal to 0 coming to rest. What is the initial velocity when a body is about to move? Correct. From rest to movement, so u equal to 0. Which equation of motion can be used to find the distance s if s? Which one you need to know when s is required? See, for distance, what equation you will go for? There are, for related to s, how many equations are there? S equal to ut plus half ad square. Another one, 2as equal to v square minus u square. Third equation is there, in that also s is there. So s dependent factors we have to find out. What are the s dependent factors if you go for the second equation of motion? Batao. If you go with the second equation of motion, what are the required? I am writing on the board. You see here, we have a simple s equal to ut plus half at square. What are the prerequisites?
UTA.
Exactly. So s is a function of u t a. और कोई है? So UTA. And another one, when 2as equal to v square minus u square, then s is a function of u comma v comma a. Function of dependent independent maths में 4th chapter में LETV linear equations in two variables में already I discussed about this. Dependent variables, independent variables, right? అంతే కదా షారాన్? అంతే అయితే. So which equation of motion can be used to find the distance s if These three parameters are given, you use second equation. This is the A question. Coming to the B question, the B question is you are following the parameters is U, V and A for third equations of motion, right? Next, go with the worksheet.
Fix the acceleration of the body. The acceleration of the
Body.
body is equal to
What?
V minus U by T.
Correct. V minus U by T. Acceleration of the body is equal to V minus U by T. That option, you tick it. That option is which option? V minus U by T, it is B option. Next one.
Final velocity V according to the third equation of motion.
Final velocity V according to the third equation of motion is what? This one, third equation of motion. Final velocity according to it, what?
V is already given.
So you are telling with which answer? Final velocity V he need V. He need V.
Oh, V square unna. అయితే root plus
తెలీదా? See, these types of mistakes only people do. Use your mind, yaar. You are getting
root U square plus 2A.
maths. So option A is the correct answer. So see here, 2as equal to V square minus U square. So we need V. So V square equal to U square plus 2as. So V equal to root over 2a. So the option A is the correct answer here. Right? Tick it. The third question. The equation of uniformly accelerated motion relating the initial velocity, final velocity, time and acceleration is. See, all the equations of motions are uniformly accelerated motions only. I'm telling you, clearly I'm stating again and again. ఏంటండి సియా? అది కరెక్టే, కానీ there are options given. S equal to ut plus half at square, v square minus u square equal to 2as, v equal to u plus at, and d is all of these. Which one? C is correct. Why C? Already I told uniformly accelerated motions means equations of motion. Again Sharon is still only v square minus u square equal to s. Why? Okay, now coming to the fourth question. A car increases its speed from 30 km per hour to 35 km per hour in an 1 hour. Its acceleration is. Do it. Just seeing the question doesn't give answer. Do it. Use pencil or something. Do it. These are all worksheets. You need to do.
5 km per hour.
Hmm.
35 are already in kilometers. 35 minus 30 by 1.
Correct answer. Correct answer. So 5 km per hour square is the correct answer. Right. Your answer is right. Correct anandi. So it is given that I'll use this. So it is given that in this question u equal to 30 km per hour, right? V equal to
35.
and time it is given. So what is positive or negative acceleration? Such type of questions also comes. Just by minus sign, minus sign is very dangerous. I'm telling really. It will really turn your answer wrong. That's why you should be more careful in physics with plus sign and minus sign. So it is 35 minus 30 divided by time 1 hour. So it is 5 kilometer per hour square. So your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. A option is the correct answer. So next one, a body has an acceleration of minus 10 meter per second square. What is its retardation? Minus 10 meter per second square. Has an acceleration of minus 10 meter per second square means it is retardation of 10 meter per second square. Susara, that's the fact. So answer is A, 10 meter per, sorry, B, it is 10 meter per second square. A option is 10 meter per second square, meter second square. It is multiplication is there, but we need a division of square because its unit is meter per second square. M by S square. MS minus 2 should come. Okay. So okay. Next, derive the equations of motion using graphical method. See, we already did na in our earlier classes.
First,
Non-online classes we did it. We,
normal calculus,
integral calculus, yes, and we did general method also. We did by general method, we did by graphical method, and we did by integral calculus method. Total 9 derivations we did. किया है नहीं किया? अच्छे से किया. Good. So these 9 methods we did, and in this case he is asking about graphical method. Third one, v square equal to u square plus 2as is the third equation of motion. You have to derive it by using graphical method. So if it is particularly asked, and I'm telling you Shreya, in examination, if it is particularly asked that you have to do by graphical method, you have to go by graphical method only. You can't do by general method or use integral calculus method and say that I have done the derivation, but you are not giving marks. You can't claim, sorry, because it is specifically mentioned graphical method. That's why I'm telling you, stress more on graphical method. Many questions come from graphical method. Then you have to stress go for general method or integral calculus. Integral calculus is more important for 12th class. In 12th class they will ask for integral calculus method. किया ना, integrations differentiations use करके किया ना, we'll go with that method for 12th class, not now. So graphical method should be in your fingertips because derivation means first idea you should get is graphical method. For your overview, I am again telling how you are deriving. We are taking a graph, we are taking u here, you are taking v here, we are having uniformly accelerated motion. Okay, and first we will take this acceleration equal to v minus u by t. It is a slope. Acceleration is the slope of the vt curve. Already we know, and slope of xt curve is velocity, right? So slope of the vt curve gives the acceleration. So acceleration equal to v minus u by t. So now we are rearranging the terms that side, this side, you will get v equal to u plus at. Coming to second equation of motion, it is distance. So how we need distance? Distance is the area under the vt curve, right? So we have a triangle and we have a rectangle. So we are adding the two areas. So the area of the rectangle is u into t, okay, and the area of the triangle is half, how much? Half base into height. Base is t and height is v minus u. So half into v minus u into t. Okay. So v minus u are using from the first equation as at, and we are multiplying it So it is becoming half at square. Therefore, we are adding with the rectangle area, so it is ut plus half at square equal to s. That is second equation. Third equation, what you are doing? Similar condition, you taking the area. Area only we are taking. S equal to first one, area of trapezium we are taking in this case. Directly we are taking trapezium. It is a trapezium. So trapezium area is how much? Half into sum of the non-parallel sides. Sum of the parallel sides into height. Okay, sum of the parallel sides into height. Sum of the parallel sides is what? One is u, one is v. So u plus v into height. Height is how much? T. So t we are replacing with v minus u by a. Waste fellow. Okay, v minus u by a. So a into 2. 2a. Denominator section 2a. This 2a we are multiplying towards LHS. So 2as will come. Because s is we are finding s now. So v minus u into v plus u. How much? V square minus u square according to our identities. In the second chapter of polynomials we read already. We discussed about that. Maths. Yeah, na? That's it. How we derive these three using graphical method. Okay. From here onwards, we are going to start the problems. Home assignment also I will discuss three problems. First four. See, there are derive the equation of motion v equal without using graph means general method you have to go with v equal to u plus at. Second question, derive the equation of motion without using graph means general method, or you can use integral calculus if you have that guts. You can use it. Okay, derive by graphical method. Okay, when a graphical method, first and second equation. So you'll do it. So our task now is to do the numericals. We'll start the worksheet 8 question. 8 worksheet 8, 9, 10 we'll do. Then we'll go for home assignment 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right? So that totally we'll have a 14 questions mock run now. Right? Okay? Each question. Let us start. Sharon, first question, 8th question, you take it. See, in your notebook, what you have to mention is this is life science textbook, right? Life science means refresher. Life science physics refresher we are having. In life science physics refresher, we are following life science physics standard refresher for IIT JEE and NEET. This is the best book for 9th class. Coming to 10th class, we'll follow Chess-Chan. For 11th and 12th, we'll follow SL Arora. Okay? Pure physics. Only physics I am talking. So, you better note down whenever you are doing numerical session, instead of writing the question, you can happily note down page number in the top and question number and section number. Question number, section number, then question number. Right? It's easy. 3 words writing and a big question writing is different, right? It will take time. So you follow that. Okay, Sharon, write down 8 question. This 8 worksheet 8 1. చూడండి క్వశ్చన్ చదవండి. వాట్ ఈస్ క్వశ్చన్?
The train accelerates uniformly from 36 km per hour to 72 km per hour in 20 seconds. Find the distance traveled by it.
Okay. करो. करो. A train is accelerating uniformly from 36 km per hour to 72 km per hour in 20 seconds. Find the distance traveled by it. This is the question. I'm reading again. For Shreya, once more. Okay. The train is accelerating uniformly from 36 km per hour to 72 km per hour in 20 seconds. Find the distance traveled by it. Simple question. Karo.
Question page number.
Already I told. Page number 9. Fastest answer, please. Fastest answer, please.
Table.
Now you see, I'm doing the problem for you. A train accelerates uniformly from 36 km per hour to 72 km per hour in 20 seconds. Right? Find the distance traveled by it. So in this question, question number 8, in this question, u it is given as 36 km per hour. Right? So you are converting it into meter per second. So 36 into 5 by 18 meter per second. 18 ones, 18 twos. So 10 meter per second. What is V? V is 72 kilometer per hour. So 72 into 5 by 18 meter per second. 420 meter per second. What is the time taking for it? For the change? 20 seconds. So you need acceleration. Acceleration equal to V minus U by T. So what is V? 20 minus 10 by 20. So 10 by 20. So it is 0.5 meter per second square. So find the distance traveled by it. So it is asked the distance. So S equal to UT plus, or one more thing also you can do. We already have acceleration, na? So you will use third entity, because all these three factors, if we need, this can do easily do in using equation number 3. We have 2as equal to v square minus u square. Right? So 2 into acceleration. For finding distance, acceleration is compulsory, because in both the functions of s, earlier we saw that it is a function of a compulsory. Note किया नहीं किया? Okay, no worry. When this online cam comes, that video will release. Your notebook into you see and copy it in your notebook. Whatever are whatever are not available, whatever you have not written, those if you have missed out, okay, you have double bonus. Especially I'm telling you, this is for online session, for online students whoever are there in YouTube. They will surf it and they will check all these videos. So what they lost is the earlier sessions we did in mathematics, the chapters we finished mathematics, that part, and physics first chapter theory, and chemistry first chapter theory. That only this online session has lost it. But the remaining, they will be also having access. You will also be having access. And your advantage is you already had that. Now you are coming to here for online session also, for lockdown sessions. In lockdown sessions also, you can log into wherever you have missed out some notes or something. You can view there, because I have done it in the board. Na? I will not edit it. That part I will not remove. Don't worry. It will be there. So you can anytime open the YouTube to my channel PCM Hub and you can get it. Okay. So for acceleration, it is compulsory. Compulsory for distance finding. What is the distance? Distance is s. V square is how much? 20 square minus 10 square. So it is 1. 0.5 into 2 is 1. So s equal to 20 square is 400 minus 100. It is 300 meters. So answer is 300 only, na? 300. Like the answers will be reversed and written there in HC Verma. So here it is there in same format, but in means small, with very small letters at the end. Tip दिखना नहीं दिखना जैसा दिखेगा. Answer will be there. Many IIT books it is given like that. Next question. Next question. Go for the next question. जल्दी से. This is how you will be doing the problems. Numericals. Clear? and 18 table आ जाना चाहिए. And when you go with the chapter of gravitation, you should know 9.8 table.
9.8.
Gravity is 9.8, right? 9.81. So you should learn the table of 9.8. So now this table, 18 table, how much you know? 18 ones are 18, 18 2s 36, 18 3s 54, 18 4s are 72, 18 5s 90. More than enough. But still, if you require 18 6 108. Okay. 18 sevens, you add 18 to 108, 126 मैक्सिमम. उससे ज्यादा स्पीड तो जाता नहीं ना कोई. रॉकेट्स थोड़ी हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. विल डिस्कस दैट in rockets and everything in gravitation. Then we'll need that. Till now, up to 6 or 7 enough, more than enough. 18 table. Coming to this table, 9.8 table. 9.8 ones are 9.8, 9.8 twos are 19.6. Okay, 9.8 threes are 28.7. 0.47, not 4, not 7, 28.47. Okay, three times enough. Fourth time not required.
ఇవాళ ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ జరిగింది ఆన్లైన్
39.2, 9.8 force, 39.2. Okay. What you are telling? Inspection. Kendriya Vidyalaya. Which for what? Online inspection. Means everybody is studying or not. Or they are doing jalsa, keeping phones. Lockdown really, students are enjoying the most. They are not studying. We did a lot of work. Really, we did a lot of hard work. Even though I had my office work and all, we managed somehow, and we did a lot of hard work, lot of classes. If we would have kept online session earlier, that hard work would have been much good. चलो कोई नहीं, जब होना है वो हो जाएगा. Okay, ninth question. Next ninth question. Body moving with a velocity of 6 meter per second uniformly accelerates at 1.5 meter per second square. What will be its velocity after 5 seconds, and how far it will move during this time? So it is asking distance, and he is also asking the final velocity. Final velocity. So he is uniformly accelerating. U, it is given that how much? 6 meter per second. Acceleration is giving at 1.5 meter per second square. After what is the velocity after 5 seconds, and how far it will? Simple, direct. First equation you use v equal to u plus at, then u equal to 6 plus 1.5 into 5. How much? 1.5 into 5, 15 5 75, 7.5. So 6 plus 7.5, it is 13.5 meter per second. That is the final velocity. Using 1. I'm little bit alsy in writing this stuff. Okay. Using next word, distance. So distance means we have all these u, a, v. Okay. So we can go for using identity 3. Best. V square equal to u square plus 2as. Right. So we need s. So s equal to v square minus u square by 2a. What is v square? 13.5 whole square minus u square 6 square divided by 2 times acceleration 0.5. acceleration square नहीं है, देखो. Correct, good 1.5. So it is 3.
Doing it. So a body moving with a velocity of 6 meter per second uniformly accelerates at 1.5 meter per second square. So what can we say that from there all equations of motions are uniformly accelerated motions. What will be its velocity after 5 seconds and how far will it move during this time? So the body moving with a velocity of 6 meter per second. The body is moving with a velocity of 6 meter per second. U equal to 6 meter per second. Uniformly accelerates with acceleration of 1.5 meter per second square. What will be its velocity after time equal to 5 seconds? And how far will it move during this time? How far will it move during this time? Is the question. So 3 parameters. So function of 3 parameters u, a, t. So you will find first v using identity 1. So u is how much? 6 plus 1.5 into time t, 5 seconds. 6 plus 15 5 how much? 7.5. So this is 13.5 meter per second. Now what we need? Distance. How far will it move means the distance traveled by. So yes. So using identity, correct, 3. S equal to 2as equal to v square minus u square. So we need s equal to v square minus u square by 2a. So what is v? 13.5 whole square minus u square. U how much? 6 square divided by 2 into a. A is how much? 1.5. 2 into 1.1 by 3. 1.5 into 2 is 3 na? 13.5 whole square. Already I told you earlier in maths. 13.5 into 13.5. So 5 multiples like 25 into 25. When we are doing 5 5 is 25. 2 and its next point 3. So 3 2 is 625. Similarly, one more I will show you. 75 into 75 is there. So any multiple 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. According to Vedic mathematics, 5 is there. Immediately you multiply 5 with 5, then you will get 25 this side. Okay. 7 into the next number is 8. 8 7 56. 5 6 2. So here 5 5 25 point is there means point 13 into 14. 13 is 169 plus 13. 180. 182.25. 182.25 minus 36. 0.25 is same. This will become 12 minus 6. 7 minus 3 4. 146 by 3. So it is 146.25 by 3. If you do it, 3 4s are 12, 26, 8s 24, 22, 7s 21, 115.75. So 48.75 liters. See? I didn't did all our mind calculations only. When you use more of mathematics, you get mind calculations. I'll tell you how to do it for 2 digit and 3 digit. Let us do one more one. Sharan, మీకు మంచి నెంబర్ చెప్పండి ఒక నెంబర్. 2 digit.
2 digit.
52 into 18. Let us take 28. 18 is easy. 18 table. 18 2s are 36. 18 5s are 90. Do it. I already told in 5 by 18 that one. You should remember the 18 table. You should remember the 9.8 table. 18 table Shreya already. Now I told earlier she remembered. 18 table बोलो बताओ एक बार अच्छे से. 54.
72.
6 also easy. 108. Ambulance. So 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90, 18 sixes are 108. More than enough. उससे ज़्यादा स्पीड जाता नहीं आजकल. जाता भी है तो 126 next. 7 times 126. Train we did na. Maximum speeds. Yashwantapur Howrah Duronto Express. So this technique I will tell you. After that we will go with the next problem. 8 twos how much?
16.
16. So 16 means you write this number digit here 6. 1 is carry. Right, 1 carry, no?
Carry.
Next 8 fives cross. You have to do cross. 8 fives 40 plus 2 twos 4.
4.
44 plus 1.
45.
You keep 5 here, 4 here. Carry.
Okay.
Now 5 2. This one. 10 plus 4.
14. Okay.
Now you got the trick, na? You do this in examinations.
Okay.
Learn it.
Fast.
కొద్దిగా in the starting Vedic mathematics will give troubles, but once it is in your mind, I already told you, in engineering second year only I left it. This normal conventional type of math, this calculation which you are doing now, I left it in engineering second year only. This Vedic mathematics I started from engineering second year, easily I'm able to do. I see big calculations also. I told the example. Okay, 10th problem, that brakes applied to a car produces a negative acceleration of 6 meter per second square. So it is a deceleration. Deceleration, or you can take it as better word is retardation. So the retardation is how much, Sharon? The retardation is 6 meter per second square. So what is it? Car takes time equal to 2 seconds to stop applying. This is a real time application. Again in home assignment also you will have a real time application. Actually what is, the car is going, he is going in a car happily. Suddenly a dark came in between, applied brake. No, this is example problem. So the retardation he is applying is 6 meter per second square. The car is applying retardation of this much. When he is applied a brake, it is taking time 2 seconds. How much distance you need to stop? And I am telling you, Sharon, one more thing. Both. The fact is, this stopping distance of the car, you know, this is new thing. Listen very carefully, because it is most important thing which many don't know. Renault company car, anti-lock braking system is there. Anti-lock braking system is the system when you apply the brake, instead of applying the brake single time, it will apply one effort multiple times. Generally if we apply a manual brake or an hydraulic brake, whatever the brake when we apply, immediately this tires will be holded, right? And there is a chance of skidding when you apply sudden brake. In order to avoid it, the anti-lock braking system will become, anti-lock means locking the wheel, removing the wheel. Anti-lock, that means it will like jerk. Slowly it will hold it and decrease the velocity. That means it is called a step retardation curve. Okay. Therefore, the distance that is it is stopping by doing this general calculation, and the distance it is taking for that stepped calculation will be less. That's what the Renault company is using advantage of. Renault and Skoda braking powers are very good. I am telling you, better, best as compared to Honda and other companies. Honda is also good, but with Nano, Tata. हाँ फालतू क्या बोला है, नैनो घंटा है.
Nano is very bad.
हाँ, Maruti, Tata, all are. I'm not talking about Audi and Benz, all that we are removing that from this list. Why? Because we should concentrate on Atmanirbhar Bharat. We have to depend on our own Atma. Okay, so we have to depend on our Indian goods. So we are discussing about Indian goods. Hyundai is a South Korean company, but shares are more from India, right? Renault is a foreign company, but shares are more in India. Audi and Benz, the shares are outward. Ford, they are all American shares are more. Germany, Audi. So their Mercedes Benz also same company. France, Germany, those countries only. I don't know. You check in it. This I am giving approx, but it's Germany only. I feel Germany only. Audi Germany only. I feel. Okay. So what I want to tell is these simple mathematics, simple calculations, and simple equations of motions are very much advantageous in real life practical applications. I've told you an example. Just ABS is an anti-lock braking system is just an example where you are calculating this, right? Okay, come to the problem. Time equal to 2 seconds. To stop it, applying the calculate distance traveled by it. So SC optical. Here the logic is everywhere we have did is 3 parameters. Here only we are having 2 parameters. So third parameter is what? Velocity. Final velocity it is 0. Because it is coming to rest, you should use that. So what is the formula for here? This acceleration, sorry, I will write it here. V na? V equal to 0 meter per second, and this is acceleration equal to minus 6 meter per second square. Retardation का opposite है ना acceleration, so acceleration में convert करना है. Retardation is nothing to do with A equal to V minus U by T. This one. We'll use it, and we'll get U. V equal to U plus AT. We need U. V is 0. U equal to minus AT. U equal to minus A. Minus A is minus 6 into T. What T is? 2 seconds. So it is 12 meter per second. Is U. Now what he wants? The distance traveled. S equal to ut plus AD square using second identity. This is using 1. S equal to U is 12 into time is 2 plus half into A is minus 6 into time is 2 square. So 2 square equal 24 minus 6 to 12. So it is 12 meter per 12 meters. Is the answer. Many people do mistake here. Many people do mistake here. They don't take acceleration as negative, then we will get 36 as answer. That is the wrong answer. Here acceleration is negative. I'm stressing again and again. Retardation is given, not acceleration. Retardation is given. Deceleration is given. Means you have to take acceleration negative. Braking means negative. That's why you should apply it here. Sign conventions are very important. Here also you see sign conventions how I apply. Minus is there. Minus A means don't do minus 6 directly. Minus 6 in bracket. Okay. Next, coming to the 8th problem. Let us come to 8th problem from the home assignment. Continuing our home assignment again. Okay.